Whoops. Hey everybody, happy Friday. Hope you guys are having a great day as much as you possibly can. What as red as today is, my account, very red, almost 12% down. Uh, whole market, whole market is just super red. Tesla was down pretty close, testing that $1,000 level for a little bit. Hopefully that's not a dead cat bounce here. But in light of the fact we are within $20 of some of the plays, we're going to get these guys rolled out. So I already did that with a couple, so we'll get a couple more rolled out here. We have 8 left to go. So let's get these guys rolled out. And these are all expiring next Friday. And I like to roll these out the Friday prior just so we do have some more time on our side. I don't think we'll see any more crazy downness, but Elon did sell some shares yesterday, so he's about 60% done. Thinking about just rolling these out another week, but yeah, let's roll them out too. So same levels here. And we're going to collect $60. So we can collect 60. How many do we have? We have 3 of these guys. And we want a credit. Grab $180 here. Well, I must not have asked for enough. That filled a little bit too quickly. And then we have the 975s, 970s. I'm not sure whether or not we have $5 increments. Let's see if we do 975s. We don't. So in this case, we're going to do a 2-for-1 because we have $500 collateral on each of those guys. So one of them we'll either just have to close out or find another position to roll it to, but 2 of them or 4 of them will be able to roll into 2 $10 wide spreads. So we will buy back the 975. Oops. Sell the 970. Go out a couple weeks here. And we'll switch this into a 980, 970. Hit continue. Go to edit ratios. So we want the ones expiring next Friday. We're going to do 2 of those and 2 of these. So same collateral, we're just moving it, and we'll have 2 of those. So 2 of these moves will take up 4 of those options. Let's see if we can grab. Boy, this is pretty crazy with what it's showing us. So we'll start at $80. This is kind of one of the disadvantages of not holding a lot of cash in my account. So many things I would like to take advantage of right now. So we can grab $70. I'd love to load up on another few hundred shares of Palantir. I've probably bought 50 over the last couple days. All right, so we got that one done. And then we have, what else do we have? So we have one of those left, expiring on the 10th. Now we do have a bit of buying power, and with Tesla down at these levels, we will go to Tesla, and And I bought a half share earlier with some of the premium we collected. So I'm going to grab another half share, which puts us to 252.420.69. So that is good. And just keep loading up on these. So when we do see that rebound, it's going to be absolutely huge. Now the last one, this 975, 970, I need to take a look at the option chain, see where we have some $5 increments around that range. Not there. On 31st, and I think the next one I saw was January 21st. We do have some here. Okay, so we'll move this one all the way out till January. Oops, there's the 10th. Buy that back. Sell the 970, and yep, we're going out of ways. Come on, weird option chain. And we will sell the 975. Try holding down on this. Nope. And buy the 970. So for that one, we'll receive about $70 credit. Or maybe 60, 70. Doesn't really matter at the end of the day to me. We'll see if we can grab $70 here. Maybe not 70. Let's see, 65. All right, so there we go. Okay, there we are. So we're only down $30,000 today. No big deal, just a Toyota Camry. We didn't need a Toyota Camry anyways. So yeah, absolutely, let's see, terrible day, terrible week. Let's see, our horrible month. And our quarter is still up 55,000. All right, so we only made like $18,000 a month in the last quarter or so. And I expect over the next, I know today, last week, and all that stuff has been pretty rough. Just on, I mean, pretty much all across the board for everybody. But, you know, if you have no money in the stock market, you're just going to let it sit there and wither and lose value over time. So that's not the best place to have it. You could try to time the market, which is, you know, darn near impossible. If you can do that, then you should just be a day trader. And other than that, like, all in all, I'm pretty happy about where I'm at. Yep, we could have got some better entries, but I'm still looking forward to the next couple months. We have whatever is going to happen on 12/9. Tesla's releasing a whole bunch of cyber gear, cyber whistles, cyber ATVs, cyber socks, all this weird stuff. So kind of looking like something might happen with the Cybertruck, even though he did say that he was going to give the production update during the earnings call. So we do have a ways for that. So the next couple weeks might still be pretty rough, which is fine. We can go through a few weeks, a few months of roughness to come out on the other side, super ahead. And that's the plan. That's what we're going to do. So still have another month to go before we hit next year, and then a few weeks into that, actually, what date? We'll have the production numbers probably beginning of January, and then let's see, earnings call January 26th. So actually, I guess we do have a ways. So we have about 7 weeks or so, but that's fine. We can always roll stuff out till right before or right after that point if we need to. And just taking a look at what I do have. So we do have we have our Tilray plays and stuff like that, but the anything that I have at that $1,000 level, I am still going to be holding on to unless we see, I'm gonna have to see it basically butter below $1,000 for me not to see that. I mean, that's a huge round mental number. Tons of price analysts and institutional investors have been buying, during this dip and have price targets like just insanely higher than where it's at, right? 1,300, 1,500, 1,800, some stuff up there. So kind of no matter what, even if you were to buy a share today, most likely like in a year, you're going to be up minimum 30%, probably 80%. So if you don't want the stress of all the options, just purchase a few shares and close your account and open it back up in a year from now, see where it's at. But this is just how it is. All right, guys. So tomorrow I'm still planning on doing the live stream. I may even do one later on today, possibly. Next week I'll be on vacation for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, going to Las Vegas for a few days. I'll probably still post something during the day. This doesn't take too much time. So especially with any news or big updates coming out. All right, guys, love you. Have a great day, and don't lose a lot of money.